Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to create a website on Bluehost. First, you will need to select a hosting plan that aligns with your website's requirements. Bluehost offers various options, from basic shared hosting to more robust VPS solutions. Next, choose a memorable domain name that truly reflects your brand. Finally, complete the straightforward account setup, providing your details to get everything ready for your new online presence. This initial stage is crucial for a strong foundation. Once your Bluehost account is active, installing WordPress is incredibly simple. Bluehost offers a convenient one-click installation, making the process quick and easy. Just log into your Bluehost control panel, find the WordPress icon, and follow the intuitive prompts. In just a few minutes, your WordPress site will be ready for you to start building. This streamlined approach saves you valuable time and effort. With WordPress installed, it is time to design your website. You can choose from thousands of free and premium themes to give your site a professional and appealing look. Use the WordPress customizer to easily change colors, fonts, and layouts without any coding knowledge. Remember to add crucial pages, such as an About Us page and a contact page, providing visitors with important information and ways to reach you. Before launching your website, perform a thorough review of all content, links, and functionality to ensure everything works perfectly. Once you are satisfied, it is time to make your site live for the world to see. Don't forget to implement basic search engine optimization techniques to help people find your site. Also, consistently update your WordPress installation, themes, and plugins to maintain security and optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.